The evolution of smartphones. From past to present, smartphones have become one of the most influential inventions of the modern era. They have transformed the way we communicate, work, learn, and entertain ourselves, blending multiple functionalities into a single pocket-sized device. What began as a simple tool for making phone calls has blossomed into a powerful, multifaceted technological marvel. The journey of smartphones from their humble beginnings to the present day is not just a tale of innovation, but also of how society has adapted to and shaped this transformative technology. The birth of mobile phones. The early foundations. The smartphone, as we know it, did not appear overnight. Its evolution has been a complex process, drawing from advances in several fields of technology, including telecommunications, computing, and hardware design. The earliest mobile phones were bulky devices that were designed solely for making voice calls. The first commercially successful mobile phone was the Motorola Dynatac, introduced in 1983. It was a massive and cumbersome device that weighed over 2 pounds and provided just 30 minutes of talk time. While the Dynatac marked a major milestone in mobile communication, it was far from the sophisticated multifunctional devices we use today. It wasn't until the early 1990s, with the development of the second generation, 2G, of mobile phones, that the stage was set for the rise of more advanced features, such as text messaging and mobile internet access. Devices like the Nokia 1011 and Motorola's StarTAC, which were more compact and affordable, became symbols of this era. The advent of feature phones, 1990s to early 2000s. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, mobile phones took on a more recognizable form. These feature phones were characterized by their compact size, integrated buttons, and relatively simple design. They were primarily designed for communication, but some models began to introduce additional features like built-in cameras, music players, and rudimentary internet browsers. The Nokia 3210, for example, introduced the concept of customizable ringtones and an internal antenna, which revolutionized the way people perceived mobile devices. In parallel, phones like the BlackBerry and the Palm Trio became popular among business users due to their advanced email capabilities, physical QWERTY keyboards, and early internet access. These phones laid the foundation for what would soon become known as the smartphone. The smartphone revolution, 2007 to 2010, a major breakthrough in mobile technology, came in 2007 when Apple released the first iPhone. The iPhone was a radical departure from anything that had come before it. It was the first device to combine a full touchscreen interface, a powerful computer processor, and an integrated camera, all in a sleek and attractive design. The iPhone was not just a phone, it was a portable computer, music player, camera, and entertainment hub, all in one device. The iPhone's success was due in large part to its user-friendly design and its innovative operating system, iOS. The iPhone introduced the concept of the App Store, which allowed developers to create applications that could be easily downloaded and installed on the device. This transformed smartphones from simple tools into powerful platforms capable of handling everything from gaming to banking, fitness tracking, social networking, and more. In response to Apple's iPhone, other companies quickly introduced their own smartphones. In 2008, Google launched the Android operating system, which was adopted by a number of manufacturers, including Samsung, HTC, and LG. The Android platform offered an open-source alternative to Apple's iOS, giving smartphone manufacturers more flexibility in how they designed and sold their devices. This rivalry between Apple's iOS and Google's Android created an exciting competitive environment that pushed both companies to continuously innovate. The rise of touchscreens and mobile computing. 2010 to 2015. By the early 2010s, smartphones were no longer just tools for communication. They had become integral to nearly every aspect of modern life. With the introduction of 4G LTE networks, mobile internet became faster, allowing users to stream videos, play online games, and engage in real-time communication with ease. Smartphones began to look more like miniature computers, with powerful processors, larger screens, and high-definition cameras becoming standard features. The introduction of multi-core processors in smartphones allowed for smoother multitasking and more powerful applications. Mobile operating systems like iOS and Android became more refined, with regular updates adding new features and improving performance. App ecosystems flourished, giving users access to millions of apps across various categories, including productivity, entertainment, education, and social media. Smartphone designs also evolved during this period. Devices like the iPhone 4 introduced high-resolution Retina displays, while companies like Samsung pushed the boundaries of screen size with their Galaxy Note series, which popularized larger phablets, a blend of phone and tablet. Features such as voice control, wireless charging, and fingerprint scanners began to appear on smartphones, making them more functional and secure. The smartphone becomes a lifestyle device, 2015 to 2020. By the mid-2010s, smartphones had truly become lifestyle devices. They were no longer just for calling and texting. They had evolved into hubs for all digital activities. With the growing popularity of social media, mobile phones had become the go-to devices for sharing photos, videos, and updates. Smartphones also became indispensable tools for work, with apps for email, document editing, and collaboration tools allowing people to work from anywhere. The introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, further enhanced the capabilities of smartphones. Virtual assistants like Apple's Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon's Alexa became smarter, understanding context and providing more personalized responses. AI-powered features such as facial recognition and predictive text became more accurate and efficient. Smartphones also started using AI to enhance photos, providing improved image quality through features like portrait mode, night mode, and scene recognition. One of the most notable developments during this period was the rise of smartphone photography. With the advent of dual-lens cameras, optical image stabilization, and computational photography, smartphones began to rival dedicated cameras in terms of image quality. Devices like the Google Pixel and iPhone X set new standards for smartphone photography, with AI-driven enhancements improving low-light performance and offering more professional-looking results. The age of 5G, foldable phones, and AI, 2020 and beyond. Entering the 2020s, the smartphone industry entered a new phase of development with the rollout of 5G networks. 5G promises faster speeds, lower latency, and more stable connections, which will significantly enhance mobile experiences, especially in areas such as gaming, virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and IoT, Internet of Things. With 5G, smartphones will become even more powerful, providing smoother streaming, enhanced video conferencing, and more immersive experiences. Another major trend in recent years is the development of foldable smartphones. Companies like Samsung and Huawei have led the charge with foldable designs that allow users to enjoy larger screen sizes in a more portable form. These foldable devices push the boundaries of mobile design and are expected to play a significant role in the future of smartphones. AI and machine learning continue to improve the smartphone experience, making devices even smarter. AI can now predict user behavior, suggest apps or features based on context, and assist with daily tasks. Integration with smart home devices and wearables has further cemented smartphones as the central hub in the increasingly interconnected digital ecosystem. The future of smartphones. What's next? As we look toward the future, the possibilities for smartphone development are exciting. Beyond 5G and foldable phones, we may soon see innovations like fully flexible or transparent screens, holographic displays, and further advancements in AI and augmented reality. Smartphones may continue to evolve to become even more deeply integrated into our lives, becoming even smarter and more intuitive, anticipating our needs before we even know them. Additionally, as environmental concerns become more pressing, the future of smartphones may include increased sustainability. Companies are already making efforts to design smartphones that are more durable, repairable, and recyclable. The evolution of smartphones may soon involve eco-friendly materials and production processes that help reduce their environmental impact. Conclusion: the evolution of smartphones from a simple mobile phone to the powerful multifunctional devices we use today has been nothing short of revolutionary. Each leap forward in technology has brought new capabilities, transforming how we connect with others, consume media, and perform everyday tasks. As we move further into the digital age, smartphones will continue to be a central part of our lives, constantly evolving and adapting to the changing needs of society. The future holds limitless potential, and the smartphone will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of innovation for years to come.